Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hi guys! So I came on here because I was cleaning out my memory card to my vlogging camera, and I found a lot of unused footage from back from May, June, July, all the months. And it was just me unboxing things. I was going to put it in a weekly vlog, but I stopped weekly vlogging. I did start up again 2 weeks ago, so those will be back soon. But I had all this footage that I didn't know what to do with, so I decided just to create a random haul for you. So it's just a unboxing of all the stuff that I bought throughout the months. It didn't have a place to go, so I thought let's just create a mini vlog of me opening stuff. So some stuff I've had for a while, as I said, and it's just been collecting dust in my memory card, and I wanted to put the footage out there and not let it go to waste. So without further ado, here is a few unboxings that I did. I have a small business, a few Amazon orders, and just random things that I bought throughout the past couple months. So roll the footage of me unboxing everything. I'm gonna start off with this first unboxing, which was probably from May, I believe. So it was this scale that I bought on Amazon. It was really pretty and we needed one, so my dad helped me out with the batteries and setting it up, and then I weighed myself for the first time in forever. And yeah, it was just a needed purchase and I really loved the aesthetic of it, so I ended up buying that. Next up, we have a much needed accessory that I've been wanting, and this is a ring light stand. As I've been saying, I left my ring light stand in the Philippines, so my ring light hasn't had like its own feet, so I finally bought one. My dad helped me set it up, and now it has its own legs, so I'm really excited about that, and I could use it again, so yay! Here they both are, the mouse and the keyboard. They look so pretty, so gonna open them up now. Probably gonna do the keyboard first because this is gonna take forever to open. First off, here's a look at the mouse. It's super cute and pretty. And then we have the keyboard. I love watching these unboxing videos of like iPad accessories. So here's my version. I picked this up at Best Buy and I was so excited to use it. I got the last one. It was in the Apple section, to be fair. I thought it would be in like the keyboard and mouse section, but here it is. It is so cute. I do prefer my hot pink, but if I can find anything that's pink, then it will do. So that is what the keyboard looks like. Okay, here's the mouse, and there's a little tab right here to open, so hopefully it's easy. I love that the packaging has this because it was a lot easier than breaking my scissors to get into it. It was a little hard, but not as hard as before. And here is the mouse, and there it is. The mouse looks so nice. I have a hot pink one, which is over here, so this one is to my laptop, but I can use this one now. I just got this one at TJ Maxx for like $6, so hopefully this is better quality than that one. So yeah, looks super cute and I can't wait to use it with my devices. Here is my iPad, so we're going to turn it on if I can find the switch. Now I thought it would be easy to set up. I put the instructions back in the box thinking, oh, I don't need them. Well, I did need them, so I pulled out the battery things. It took a while to set up. The keyboard was really hard, but the mouse hooked up right away. You don't see me struggle trying to get the keyboard to hook up, but I did manage it, so it is really nice to type. So here is me typing. I got a package in the mail today. Look how cute this is. I ordered it from a small business, and I just love ordering from them because they come in such pretty packaging. It has a thank you sticker right there. That's super cute. I can't show you the back side because it has my address, but that is so pretty. I love that. I can't wait to open it now. I'm gonna gently open it up so I don't mess up the sticker or the packaging. Try to preserve it. I just love this packaging so much, but unfortunately I had to do a little bit of cutting with my scissors because it just would not open. But I did try to preserve as much as possible, and I just pulled everything out. It was packaged so nicely. There was a card, all the tissue paper, and here is the box it came in. And of course I had to get the card out and read it. Oh, that's cute. Oh, cute. I love that. Okay, put that down. Let's open this up. Such cute packaging. Oh, how pretty. And here's the earrings that I got. Of course, I got bows. So pretty. And then there's another thing in here. Let's see. Oh, it's so dainty and pretty. How nice. Okay. This is like a dupe of a Tiffany necklace, I believe. So, yeah. Those look so pretty. Now we have another Amazon unboxing. This is probably the maybe middle of July is when I ordered this. So I got some headbands. I really was obsessed with headbands. And I got this iPad stand because I needed something for my desk. And then I got this acrylic holder to hold all my headbands because I bought so many headbands. I needed a place to store them. So I unpackaged that. And it is so nice. It is really what I was wanting, to organize all my hair accessories. It is really handy, and I got to put all my headbands on it and have it displayed here on my desk. So here's all the headbands. I organized it from oldest to newest. So I can't wait to wear these. I got these last month in another Amazon order. So yeah, I can't wait to fill it up with all my bows and scrunchies and stuff. So that's fun. And then I got my iPad stand, which is over there, so I can put it in here to sit on my desk. So yeah, that was today's Amazon order. Now that I unboxed everything and showed you a few of the things that I bought, I thought I would just run you through some of the stuff in my room now. So I found homes for everything, and I wanted to give a little like desk tour as well. It's not like the most proper, it's just a casual desk tour of what's on my desk currently, like a realistic what is currently on my desk right here. So yeah, well, that clip now. So here we have the tripod area. I have my ring light. You saw that I unboxed it, so it now has a home here in the corner. I have my other ring light that I got at Best Buy, my phone tripod. This is for my DSLR because it's like a heavy duty one, so this is like the camera area, and it has a little space here in my room. So over here I kept the packaging to those earrings and that necklace because it was so pretty. And then I have to go put this with my iPad box, the keyboard and the mouse. I'm gonna keep it for a while just in case. So that is that. You saw that earlier. Here's a sneak peek of my desk, I guess. It's not the cleanest right now. It's a little messy. So I have my nail polishes over there. This is my other ring light. I use this as a desk lamp. Don't ask me why. It's just very convenient. I point it towards the wall so it's not pointing at me. I have my dad and I shared laptop, my iPad. This is my iPad Air. My dad uses my iPad Pro to watch TV out in the living room, so currently I've been using this. I have my phone, the mouse to that. My mouse is hot pink, but since my laptop is currently in the living room, it is not here at the moment, so that's why it's blue, not hot pink. I have my blue light glasses. This USB is brand new. You'll see that in an upcoming vlog. And then we have this right here. I haven't put these inside yet, but I have my headbands all organized right there. And then I have that cute box with the earrings still inside, so that's still the same. And then we have the case to my blue light glasses and this thing to clean the glasses. That's what I want to say. Here we have some potato chips for snacking. It's been here for a few weeks. Then we have some face masks because you definitely need those. Oops, it got stuck. Oh, it's really stuck. Okay, so we have some extra face masks right here. We have, of course, my pretty keyboard and mouse, so I've been using those quite a bit. Then we have over here, this is just the extension cord that will be in another vlog. It's down there, very convenient, and some letters addressed to me in pretty envelopes. So yeah, that is what my desk looks like if you wanted to see. There you have it, a mini vlog of me unboxing stuff, showing a haul, showing my desk, a little organization of my room, I guess. And yeah, that's pretty much all this vlog is about. It's very random, but I thought I would just throw this video together since it's been like in my drafts, and yeah, I thought it would be a cool idea. I did fix my hair, I didn't put on any makeup. I thought I would just make this a very casual, just everyday thing because that is my current life right now. I'm not doing too much. I haven't done my makeup in maybe a month and a half, so yeah, that is a little life update too. Of course, I will link everything that I mentioned down below if you want to check out the items of this haul. You can also find my Instagram and my fashion blog, which is fashionxfairytale.com. And there you have it. That was a very random quarantine, what I bought in quarantine haul, I suppose. So I hope you enjoyed this randomness. I put it together, and that is it for this vlog. Make sure you subscribe. I will have a few more videos coming out. I did start weekly vlogging again, which has been fun. And that is it. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.
Can do it like you. Ooh.